The 25 best jobs in the world and their salaries. The best jobs in the world. The search for a fulfilling and rewarding career defines our overall well-being and drives us to constantly seek the most promising job opportunities. A good job is one that not only aligns with our professional goals but also rewards us financially. A favorable work environment encompasses many elements, such as pension benefits, reasonable working hours, professional development opportunities, and competitive salaries. In conclusion, the list provided here includes a variety of professions with different earning potentials. Each career path requires specific skills, qualifications, and responsibilities and offers economic rewards for a particular effort. If you found the video you just watched useful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and support us with a donation. Your help is precious to us and will allow us to continue producing quality content for you. You can do it here below, through the appropriate buttons, subscribe, and thanks. Although many factors contribute to job satisfaction, salary often emerges as the primary criterion for evaluating the attractiveness of a profession. Based on the information provided by the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics, we have compiled a list of the 25 most attractive professions in various sectors. The fact that healthcare professions dominate the list demonstrates the importance of offering a lucrative career path. If you're in search of a well-paying job, the healthcare sector is one of the most promising fields. Below are the 25 professions that offer a very high earning potential and rewarding careers. 1. Neurosurgeon. Neurosurgeons spend a considerable number of years in medical training to specialize in their field, and their dedication is widely rewarded. Neurosurgery, considered one of the most complex types of surgery, requires unparalleled expertise. The average annual salary of a neurosurgeon is $382,000, and the most renowned professionals earn millions of dollars, placing them at the top of this privileged profession. 2. Anesthesiologists. Anesthesiologists, who must attend 4 years of medical school and 4 years of residency and postgraduate training, can receive substantial economic compensation for their life-saving responsibilities. They are specialists who administer anesthesia during surgeries and require rigorous training and experience. An average annual salary of $267,000 reflects the prestige and rewards offered by this profession. 3. Surgeons. In addition to neurosurgeons, several surgical specialties offer six-figure annual salaries. Surgeons undergo extensive medical training and advanced specialization, and in the United States, the population is less than 40,000. An average annual salary of $265,000 is a testament to the demanding nature of this profession, which deals with high-risk and critical surgery. 4. Gynecologists. In line with the lucrative prospects of the healthcare sector, gynecologists specialized in female reproductive health consolidate their position as one of the highest-paid professions, with an average annual salary of $238,000. 5. Orthodontists. With a shortage of less than 10,000 orthodontists in the United States, their earnings have increased significantly. Specializing in teeth straightening and orthodontic appliances, these professionals have an average annual salary of $225,320, reflecting the high demand for their skills. 6. Psychiatrists. Psychiatrists dealing with mental health receive a significant salary, with an average annual salary of $220,380. Their role in mental health services underscores the importance of their contribution and the commensurate financial rewards for their responsibilities. 7. Investment bankers. The annual salaries of investment bankers remain high despite the negative effects of the 2008 financial crisis, sometimes reaching $209,000. The job involves in-depth market analysis, examination of financial reports, development and refinement of financial models, and investment decisions, and requires strong mathematical skills and an MBA degree. The professions listed above are just some of the rewarding careers available in various sectors. All professions not only promise economic prosperity but also require dedication, skill, and commitment to excel in their respective fields. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or professional services, these occupations represent the pinnacle of well-paid and respected professions, sought after by many emerging professionals. 8. Physicians. Working in the healthcare sector is a challenging and lucrative career. In this broad sector, there are two main categories: general practitioners and specialists. General practitioners have extensive medical experience and are the first point of contact for people seeking medical care. They play a crucial role in referring patients to specialists. Although the path to becoming a doctor is steep, general practitioners can earn up to $203,000 per year. This rewarding salary is a testament to the years spent in medical school and residency. 9. Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Chief Executive Officers, CEOs, often called chiefs, earn significant amounts, including base salaries and bonuses of several $1 million. On average, these leaders receive an annual salary of approximately $200,000. The broad range of skills and professional qualifications required for this role justifies the hefty amounts received. 10. Pediatricians. Pediatricians are responsible for children's health and derive great satisfaction from their work. In addition to the satisfaction of helping children heal, these professionals can earn up to $183,000 per year. 11. Dentists. Dentists hold a solid position in the field of health professionals. These professionals specialize in dental care and treat a variety of gum and tooth problems. To obtain a license, a degree in dentistry and further training are required. The average annual salary of a dentist is $175,000. 12. Nurse anesthetists. Among nurses, anesthetists receive the highest salary. With an average annual salary of $175,000 in the United States, they surpass engineers and software programmers. These nurses administer anesthesia during surgeries and assist surgeons and anesthesiologists. 13. Pilots and flight engineers. Pilots are among the highest paid professionals, do not require a degree, and undergo rigorous training. Their average annual salary is $170,000. Flight engineers, responsible for aircraft navigation equipment, earn up to $128,000 per year. 14. Petroleum engineers. Petroleum engineers responsible for oil and gas extraction require not only a degree in the subject but also good mastery of software tools. The average annual salary is $155,000. 15. Software engineers. Software engineers are an ambitious profession, with ample space for creativity and problem solving. Many software engineers have a degree, but online programming courses offer an alternative way to acquire the necessary skills and qualifications. The average annual salary of software engineers is $153,000. 16. Podiatrist. Podiatrists graduated in podiatry, DPM, treat foot infections and related health problems and earn up to $148,000 per year. Continued in the next article. Continued from the previous article. 17. Construction manager. Coordinating construction projects is a lucrative career path, with construction managers earning an average annual salary of $146,000. 18. Marketing manager. Marketing managers play a key role in developing and implementing an organization's marketing strategy. They are responsible for analyzing campaigns, implementing promotional strategies, managing teams, and adhering to budgets. Average annual salaries vary depending on the industry but can reach $145,000. 19. Financial manager. The growing wealth of high-income individuals has increased the demand for competent financial managers. These professionals oversee financial planning, client investments, and asset acquisition, with an average annual salary of $146,000. 20. Lawyers. An integral part of any society, lawyers have contributed to legal defense, litigation, legal drafting, and estate management for generations. The average annual income of lawyers in the United States is $144,000, and some earn six-figure salaries. 21. Sales manager. Sales managers oversee the distribution of goods and services, manage sales teams, set sales targets, and analyze customer behavior to meet annual goals. The average annual salary is $141,000. 22. Life sciences manager. Specializing in life sciences, including research, health sciences, and environmental management, they coordinate research and development. The annual salary can reach $140,000. 23. Web developer. Web developers significantly contribute to the digital era through the creation of websites and applications. The demand for these skills is constantly increasing, and highly qualified web developers receive salaries that can reach $135,000 per year. A degree is not required, but several online programs offer certifications and skill development. 24. Compensation and benefits managers. In the field of human resource management, Compensation and benefits managers are at the top of the list in terms of earning potential, with an average annual salary of $132,000. They design and implement compensation plans for employees. 25. Pharmacists. Pharmacists play a crucial role in interpreting prescriptions and ensuring the intake of appropriate medications. With a pharmacy degree, the annual earnings can reach $130,000. But you can still leave a comment. Even just a simple like would be perfect. But most importantly, sign up for the channel so you can stay informed about upcoming releases.